In a town where everyone plays a part, I live the helping hands with a big, kind heart. Firefighter Finn and Dr. Faye, helping others every single day. Finn said, did you know fire needs three? Heat, fuel, and air to burn so freely. With water and teamwork, we put out the flame. Keeping everyone safe is our aim. They added with care and skill, it's true. We help folks heal through and through. Did you know washing hands keeps germs at bay, so we stay healthy every day? Oh, helping hands, both brave and kind, showing that heroes come with heart and mind. Everyday heroes in all that they